Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the 350 V2 by Adidas and Kanye West in the light colorway. These released in late August 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £180. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the Adidas confirmed app, and it comes with your brown Yeezy slide out box with boost on the side and 350 at the top. The style code is GY3438. Open up the box, comes with shoes in brown Yeezy wrapping paper. No accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the 350 V2 Light. It features a very light, okay, you saw that coming, pun intended, green hue to its off-white knitted upper. What's unique about this pair is its UV reflective materials woven into its knitted upper, which simply means that it's able to change colour in sunlight. The lateral stripe turns brown, and the tiny white specks turn light yellow and purple to match its zonal pattern. This sits on a milky yellowed midsole with a light tan outsole. Honestly, although I like the UV detail, I feel this colorway feels too similar to the previous 350 V2s. I'm also not a fan of the choice of the included plastic heel tab used on the recent mono Yeezy 350 V2. I would have preferred a UV knitted tab or no heel tab at all for a cleaner design. This is not a 2 pairs minimum for me, but that's just my opinion. Now it's time for yours in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment mono to show me you watch this video to the end. Let me know if you managed to pick these up. Did you miss out or did you pass? It's at Samuel Sago on my social links. Apart from that, have a good day.